water because then it doesn't help you carve. So it blends, as I told you, clay blends with the water. So you can wipe it off that. We can only take one. Like this.
Nice.
So we can make a design of the nose as well.
Sharp nose. The tribal face, no ma'am. So little designs are there and it looks nice. Bas, have it on one side only. Because otherwise that matches with ours.
Yeah.
Nice. Yes. One photo of yours with the mask. Yes. Yes.
Make it fast. Now, which one you want? This butterfly or the
She's a very good teacher.
Yes, ma'am.
She's teaching beautifully. So you join the school, okay, later? She wants to be an art teacher.
This texture is not coming on.
You have to try. Keep the ruler, both the sides, keep the ruler. So it will be same size, no?
You have to press more so that it goes till the nose and mouth.
Yes. It has many features, nose, mouth, eyes. Is the pressure okay? Or should I put more pressure? I had my breakfast. Early morning I always have my breakfast. Do you?
Yes.
Very good. You are a good teacher. With all good habits also, correct? Wow. Look at it.
Yes. Little nose part.
Yes, perfection in nose is required.
Pressing on the nose button.
Yeah. How nicely is he smiling? Maybe one of the gods.
Yeah.
Correct?
Ma'am, once it is dried, no, we can do the neatness of this work. Extra clay we have to take out. We have to do finishing of the nose. And then with the brush we have to do plain.
Okay.
Like
And can we highlight then the eyes, the facial
Yes,
features
yes,
with
yes,
colors?
yes. Color,
Right.
that is afterwards, ma'am.
That is after.
Once it is dry, because in the wet clay we cannot use the color.
Yes. Very nice. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, you have become my guru today.
As you can see. So, we use like plastic bottles to because if we make it with the tags, then while breaking it, and it will come and like break. So now we'll start up the hair to the water. Okay. So we'll take the clay. Yeah, it's smooth up. We'll make one.
Big roll you want?
Like this. Yeah.
Lumbar.
Water, ma'am. Water to be applied here also. Back. Yes.
Or there is another way, like we can press it like this. It will make
And then lips. Lips are.
yes.
She's very good.
Ma'am, only 3 days training we have done. See, ma'am, these are all students coming from the pot.
Wonderful. So like this can.
Why did I get it